I found an affiliate tool that does 80% of your work. In just less than 30 minutes, you have your complete affiliate marketing business ready to launch. Everything from funnels, free course, lead magnet, email sequence for the whole year, and 15 plus products to make passive commission on autopilot. All you need to do is create content and send traffic to the system. No need to write emails, create funnels, lead magnets, sell the product, or talk to the people. Everything is done for you. This is the reason why beginner affiliates are not able to build successful affiliate marketing business. Because when they start, they are very new to this. They don't know how to write emails that sells for them, how to build lead magnet, how to build email list, how to generate leads. Until they figure out all these things and start seeing some result, they lose their patience and they quit. Because it's not an easy journey. You become frustrated, demotivated. It requires lots of hard work, efforts, patience. I have been there, that's why I can tell you. So in this video, I will walk you through complete step-by-step affiliate marketing process, but with a smart way, not with old and traditional way where you need to do a lot of hard work. And after watching the video, if you find it valuable, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel for more such videos. So what you need to start an affiliate marketing business? First, you need to find an affiliate product or an offer. A funnel you need to create. Once you have your product, once you find your product, you need to create funnel, lead magnet. Lead magnet, it can be like free training, PDF, cheat sheet, a master class that you will going to give for free to your audience so that they will give their emails to you and you can build your email list. So you will going to build your email list, and for that you need to build a funnel. Don't worry, I will show you. I'm just telling you, I'll giving you an overview, like what exactly you need. You need an affiliate product, then you need a funnel, a lead magnet, traffic source to generate leads, sales system that you are going to sell. Like you will need a sales system that will help you to get to sales and commission. And for that, we will going to use email sequences. Now you see these four things. These are the minimum and most important things that you will need in your affiliate marketing business. And I'll tell you the best part is with the tool that I'm going to tell you, you don't need to spend on find any affiliate products. There are already 15 plus products set up in the software. You will get free, you will get a funnel. You just need to copy and paste. You don't even need to copy and paste. You just need to change one link. You will get a lead magnet also, and you will get a sales system also. There is a complete email sequences for the whole 1 year. So you will get everything. All these three things you don't need to work. You only need to work on traffic source. So this is just I told you. Let me show you the complete system, like how everything works. So this is a complete system and it's affiliate stacking ecosystem. This system built by my one of my mentor who helped me to build my affiliate marketing business, and I have learned a lot of things. You can see his picture here, and he built this complete affiliate stacking ecosystem, and he has made 7 figures using the same system, and it's completely done for you. You can just literally copy and paste the whole system. That I will also show you how. But first I will explain you the complete system so that you will also know what actually you are doing. So as you can see, you need an affiliate offer, and then this will be your funnel. This is your funnel opt-in page and bridge page. So you will going to use two-step funnel, and these are the traffic sources. You don't need to use all the traffic source when you just started. You can start with one or two platform. So you will send traffic to your opt-in page first, and on the opt-in page you will give them something for free. It can be free training, ebook, PDF, anything that will going to build your authority, and they will also that will give them value, and they will in return give their emails. So from this page we will going to build our email list. Now there will be a bridge page. On the bridge page there will be a video of you that you will explaining about your affiliate offer, and that will build a trust between your audience and that affiliate offer. And from where if someone going to buy from there, you will going to make commission, right? Once people in your list, you will going to send them emails, different kind of emails. You will send them to your lead magnet, different kind of offers. You will share story, because you don't want to promote all the time. If you keep promoting all the time, no one will going to buy from you. You have to build a strong genuine relationship with your email list, with the people you have in your list. So in your list, with the people who have in your list, so that they can able to trust you, they find you legit, they can trust you, and they will buy from you. And meanwhile, in some of the emails, you can see here there will be an affiliate link, 72-hour challenge, one of the review video, because people have so many questions, so these videos will answer their question. Then the another product, so there will be like 15 products that they will be promoting. Now, the best part is you don't need to create this whole thing. This thing is already done for you. All right. You will get already 15 plus products. There will You will get the bridge page also, funnel. You don't need to build funnel, and all these emails also, you will get the whole email sequence for the 1 year. I will show you all this in the software. You only need to work as much as you can on the traffic part to bring quality traffic, quality leads to this system. Let me show you now how you can get this complete system for you and build your business. So this is the 72-hour challenge, again created by Jonathan Montoya, and you can join this challenge, and you will be able to just copy and paste the complete system that I have just showed you. You will able to close 7-figure business and start promoting 15 plus product in just minutes using this never before seen unfair software. I will also show you the software also. So in the 72-hour challenge, you will get the complete training, how you can get started, and how you can that software also. It's perfect for the complete beginners, even you have not tried any online business before, even you don't have product, you don't have tech skills, experience, even you have a job, you have less time, only 1 or 2 hours per day, you have family, kids to take care. This system will going to work best for you. Now, if you can see, this is the inside membership area of the 72-hour challenge. I have also joined the challenge. They're like day one, day two, and day three. On the day one, very basic, you will get to know about the affiliate marketing, how you can choose your niche, how you can find the product. So they are not just giving you all the things, but actually teaching you all the skills. Now, actual thing is on the day two. Let me show you that. First, I'll tell you about the day three. We will get back to the day two. On the day three, you will get to know about 3 secret traffic methods. You will get to know about the how to create reels, 7 8 to second reels to generate leads, and about YouTube, also about the ads. Now, get back to the day two. That is our main thing. So in the day two, you will get to know how you can build complete affiliate stacking system that I have showed you before. Right. So this is a funnel freedom software. Let me go to that also. So this is the tool, this is the affiliate tool that I was talking about, funnelfreedom.ai, but I want to show you the actual process so that you understand everything. So with this software, you will able to copy and paste 7-figure automated system, complete funnels, the emails, even Jonathan Montoya YouTube videos also. If someone going to buy a product, you will get the commission. You will also able to give away a free course. I will show you the free course also to build your email list and complete done for your system to promote multiple products. Let me show you the software inside the membership area. So once you join the software, you will get to, if you will able to see this kind of membership area, and this is the checklist they have given. So first you need to create your account. Once you create your account, these are the 3 simple steps that you need to follow, and in just 3 clicks you will have your complete system ready. This is the first link that you need to paste to get your funnel freedom account, and it will set up everything for you. So I have just pasted this link. If you once you able to see, so you can see I have pasted the link for the funnels. You can see this is the funnel. I did not build anything. This is my free opt-in funnel. So this is a free course I am giving to my audience that didn't need to create. I didn't need to spend time to create this. Even if I created when I like, even if I created, I was not able to provide that much value. And this course is built very strategically. There are already 15 plus product they are promoting in this free course. So once any people will going to buy any of the product, I will make commission. So this is the free course. You can see this is the funnel get already built. Now I will show you the member area of the free course also. So see, you can see this is already built. I don't need to do anything for all this. I just need to put it here, the link that I showed you before. That's it. Let me show you the members area of the free course. So I showed you the funnel. Now this is the free course that people will join. Now what they are promoting, like 72-hour challenge they are promoting. If anyone going to buy 72-hour challenge with this free course, I will make commission from that. And they even promoting high ticket product also. I will show you all the products they have been promoting. So funnel freedom, you can see all these freedom accelerator. This is the high ticket product they have, that is $2,000. So I showed you the funnels, right? Free course. I don't need to spend time on that to create. Now I just need to put that members area link that I showed you before here, and I need to add my details here, my link, my YouTube channel link, my Instagram link, and all of these things. And here you can see I need to update with my affiliate links, 72-hour challenge, freedom accelerator. So all these things, I will get the commission. I just need to put these affiliate links here at one time. And even in the free course or any, they have been running ads also, like Jonathan Monte running so many, spending thousands of dollars on ads. And when someone will going to buy anything from a system from my affiliate link, that I will get the commission. And I will show you the email sequence that we're going to sell all these affiliate products for me. So you can see here all the email sequences, 80-day nurture sequence. So they have different email sequences that I have not created anything, and all these going to sell for me. All these emails, now I have cited up my link. I don't need to add all the links one by one in any of these emails. So all these emails have already my link. Now whenever we're going to, any person will going to buy, I will make the commission for all the 15 products. Isn't it amazing? I found it very interesting. When I set it up, this complete system, it would not take me to 20-30 minutes, not even 30 minutes, 20 minutes. And the best part is, if you're using this tool, you don't need to spend any money on any other tool. So this software, for the first 14 days, you can get the trial, but after that, it will cost you $97 per month. But you don't need to pay for any other software. You don't need any other funnel builder. You don't need any other autoresponder. Everything you will get a system also, and everything else you can do in this software. So if you want to join the challenge and you want this complete system for yourself, I will put the link in description box. You can go to the link and join the challenge. One thing also I want to show you that I'm also promoting this challenge and software. So if you can see some commission, I have recently started promoting 72-hour challenge. So there are some commission from the challenge and from the software also. So I'm not just showing you, but I'm actually doing it also. So I have showed you the complete system. You only need to work on the traffic source that is left. Because if you don't have enough traffic or quality traffic, then system will also not going to work. So you need to work on the traffic part so that you will send quality traffic to the system. So if you want to learn how to generate quality traffic so that you can send to the system, then click here and watch this video. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how I built an audience of 15,000 followers and got 1.7 million views in less than 30 days. So this video will help you to learn how to generate quality leads and traffic so that you can send to the system.